Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. I know. Frenchies and food. It's practically an obsession. They think of nothing but eating. Yes, and at the same time, eating when you go hiking, camping, or trekking is essential. So, the big question is which knife and cutlery set should you choose for eating outdoors? We are going to talk about the solutions used by the French army. Specifically, we will be discussing the last three generations of TB outdoor knives designed and produced for the military. Because TB Outdoor has been manufacturing them for almost 30 years. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank TB Outdoor for their trust and continued support. Without this collaboration, this video wouldn't exist. Thank you. Let's start with a quick overview. First up is the bivouac knife. It appeared in 96-97 within the army. It comes with its own chase. It's a field knife, with its cutlery attached by a whale system. It has a blade, a corkscrew, and a can opener. Then, in 2001, it was replaced by the Baroudeur. The Baroudeur also comes with its own chase. It has a blade, a can opener, and a corkscrew. But this time, the cutlery are separate from the knife and slightly larger. Finally, since 2018, the CAC has become the standard issue knife for the French army. The CAC is available in two versions, with or without corkscrew. It comes without a chase or utensil. However, a spork and a chase can be purchased separately. It has a blade, and depending on the model, a corkscrew as well. No more can opener. Now that we have covered the three models, let's take a closer look at each one. We will start with the bivouac. It comes in different colors and also in a special French Navy edition, like mine. The blade is secured by a backlock. The fork and spoon are attached to the handle by a whale system. This prevents losing them or having to empty your bag to find them. The bivouac comes equipped with a can opener and its essential corkscrew. The Baroudeur takes a different approach. The utensils are separate. It is a souped-up version of the bivouac, thicker, heavier, and more robust. It features a hollow or solid blade secured by a liner lock. The solid blade is easier to clean. It still includes a corkscrew and, of course, a can opener. Everything comes in a MOLLE-compatible pouch. And now the CAC, for Combat Assistance Campaign. The concept has changed. The French Ministry of Defense specifications have been updated. It's no longer just a mess knife, a kitchen knife, but also a combat knife. Here we are talking about both a weapon and a utility knife. The cutlery is separate and has become a spork, a combination spoon and fork. The can opener is gone. It's no longer needed to open combat rations. The blade is made of knitwork steel and is secured by an axis lock or crossbar lock, known for its reliability and ambidextrous use. The CAC is equipped with a sling cutter, a glass breaker, and a belt clip. I did have a minor issue with the sling cutter, which gave me some trouble. You can see it in the full video about the CAC. Okay, it's snack time. So let's go outside for some fresh air. When I go for a short afternoon hike, I always bring my water bottle and a snack. Today I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you two products and two companies. This isn't a paid feature or a collaboration. It's simply for the pleasure of telling you about two businesses near me, supporting local production and therefore local jobs. Ster, Gaillard, Gouters Magiques is a company that makes cakes in Brittany, in Locminé, about 20 kilometers from my home. They make madeleine, cakes, and all sorts of little treats that are easy to pack in a bag or pocket when you are out and about. You can find them in supermarkets or online. I'll put a link in the description. And then there are my apples, which comes from le Verger de Baud in Baud, about 7 kilometers from my home. This producer grows many varieties of apples and sells them along with other products in the shop. Apples grown near my home, sold near my home. You can get more local and short supply chain than this. I'll put the address in the description. That's all for now. Back to our topic. Now you are probably wondering which one to choose. And that's what we'll end on. There were a lot of criteria to consider when choosing this type of equipment: weight, price, practicality, intended use, size, etc. Let's just say I've done some preliminary research, and here's what I've found. This is based on my experience. I have known and used this knife for a few months or a few years for some of them. So here's what I think. This is just my opinion, and I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Do you own one? Which one is your favorite? In short and to the point. Option 1. You're looking for a compact, lightweight, and inexpensive solution. The Bivouac is what you need. Stainless steel blade, two-handed opening, pump lock, ABS handle, easy to maintain. The utensils are attached by a whale system, so there's less chance of losing them or searching them at the bottom of your bag. For me, it is the ideal solution for hiking, camping, fishing, scouting, etc. At 147 grams with the sheath and utensil, it fits easily in a bag and you hardly notice it there. It's the budget-friendly and lightweight option. Prices start at 27 euros on the TB Outdoor website. Option 2. If you have a slightly larger budget and are looking for something robust, then we are talking about the Baroudeur. The Baroudeur features stainless steel liners and ABS scales. The blade is stainless steel and has a thumb stud for white-handed users only. It still includes a can opener and corkscrew, and comes with its sheath and a good-sized set of utensils. Note that the flat end of the spoon is incredibly handy for scraping the bottom of the pot when reheating, preventing it from burning. It is built like a tank, practically indestructible, and costs 59 euros all included, but it weighs 294 grams. Option 3. If you're looking for a modular, customizable solution and a versatile knife, not just for eating, then the CAC is for you. It features an ambidextrous thumb stud opening mechanism and an ambidextrous crossbar lock. The Nitrox steel blade is available in solid or semi-serrated versions. The scales are made of PA6, a fiber-reinforced resin, or G10 in various colors. It can be purchased with or without a corkscrew. The sheath and spoke are sold separately, giving you the option to choose whether or not to purchase them. You can also choose a different spoke, such as the one from the Swedish company Light My Fire or another brand. And you can use a different sheath or just leave it as it in your bag or pocket. Here the price starts at 109 euros for the CAC alone or 137 euros with a sheath and spoke. It weighs 235 grams in total. And this is one of my favorite knives because it is completely ambidextrous and truly versatile. If you'd like to learn more about one of these three models, or if you are still undecided, I have made video about each one. I'll put the link in the description and also at the end of this video. Don't forget that with my code LUXLUXLUCEM, all together, all attached, you get free personalized blade engraving. This works on all knives except zebra and Damascus blades because it is not technically possible. It's a 10 euros gift and is valid directly on the TB Outdoor website. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks to TB Outdoor. By the way, do you know why there's corkscrew on the French Army's campaign knives? It's not for opening wine bottles. It is the most practical tool for untying your shoelaces when they are wet and too tight. So, what do you think? Are you more of a bivouac, baroudeur, or CAC person? Let me know in the comments. In the next episode, I'll introduce you to an underrated Swiss Army knife that is a great alternative to a much more expensive one. And we will also talk about Christmas gifts. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share and comment. It really helps out the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.